Hey everyone, I'm DiSessa with Revelwood, and we are an Adaptive Insights business partner. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the dashboard capability in Adaptive Insights to quickly and easily build those dashboards and to use those dashboards to interrogate company performance. I've already logged into Adaptive Insights, and now I'm going to the Discovery section, which holds all of our dashboards. Adaptive Insights has over 13 charts to choose from. There's KPI dashboards, there's all kinds of bar charts and pie charts, whole different hosts to select from. Notice this particular thing I wanted to show you, which is a waterfall chart. If you've ever done one of these in Excel, you've felt the pain. These are really simple in Adaptive Insights, and I'm going to show you one of those in a moment. Let me show you one of the really outstanding features of Adaptive Insights. So let's say you're looking at this dashboard and you see these red numbers over here on the chart. Let's say I want to investigate why we missed this particular revenue number. All you have to do is click on this number and click down a level. And what we see is that Company C actually hit 100% of their target, while Company A only hit 97%. So let's go down a little bit further to understand exactly what's happening there. And as we drill down, what we're going to see is that the UK hit their target, but as we go down on the chart, the US is the one that missed their target. So let's see if there's any more detail we can find out. Now we can see who the culprit was. Most everyone either hit or came close to their target, but the US North actually missed their target by almost 30%. I can also drill across a larger number of dimensions. Here we're going to go to the Sales tab. Let's say, for example, we want to understand where our revenue came from this month. I can see from this pie chart that the UK produced the greatest amount of revenue, so I'm going to drill into UK and see what customers are buying. I first can see that customer 5 purchased the most, so I'm curious what products they purchased. Now I can see how the various products rank. Obviously, product A1 is being purchased the most. Another thing that might be a minor feature, but is really great and I think can really be appreciated by finance, is this presentation mode over here. If I hit this little camera system, the chart that I'm looking at becomes bigger. And this is great because you know how everyone's always glancing around in the meeting and looking ahead? Well, this helps you as the finance person focus your people on what you're talking about at any point in time. It's just a little detail, but I think Adaptive Insights really has built in a lot of those details into this product. So why don't we go ahead and actually create a new chart or a new dashboard. I'd like to show you how easy it is to do that. So I'm just going to give my new dashboard a name. Let's call it Ken's Demo. Let's actually put my first name in there. I've got all my charts. I mentioned those charts early on over here to choose from. Let's go ahead and drag a pie chart onto here. And let's go grab some data to put on that pie chart. So I'm going to go into my accounts. We'll keep it simple. Let's grab some operating expenses. Okay, put that on there. Let's give it a name. OpEx. Let's define what we're going to look at. I think we'll look at levels here. And you already have a completed pie chart. Now remember those waterfall charts I told you about? Let's create one of those. Again, it's as simple as dragging and dropping the waterfall chart on there. Selecting the data we want. Let's just put revenue data on there. There's lots of different things you can do in terms of formatting, but for now, let's just give it a name. Let's again define how we're going to look at it. Let's go ahead and look at it by location. And we have a neat little waterfall chart right there. And then the last one I want to show you, because it's a little bit different, is a KPI chart. We find these extremely useful, simple to build. I want to look at maybe a metric. Let's pick gross revenue, maybe, I think is here. Drag it right on. And you've got a nice KPI chart. Now what's great about this also is that once we complete the chart, everything's immediately drillable. So I can go in here and I can explore this data in any way I want, just like we were able to do before. So that's the dashboarding feature of Adaptive Insights. I think it's really easy to use and people find it extremely valuable. Hey, thanks for watching. Revelwood's been developing performance management systems for finance teams for over 23 years, and we enjoy sharing that knowledge with you. If you want to learn more, check out our YouTube channel, or for more in-depth conversation, reach out to us at our website, revelwood.com.